So the thing that I want to convey is this idea of our skills, right? So Dubb Agent now has a very robust library of skills. If you go to ai.dubb.com, which is the house of Dubb Agent, and then you'll notice on the left navigation, you will see the skills. And this is a library that we have been building. The way that this library gets built is by listening and by solving, by publishing, and by improving. The key point here is listening, and that is on our side. So, the thing that I want to recommend for you all is if you are doing specific things in your business and you don't feel like creating a custom skill, and it is something that other people can benefit from, let us know. Let us know what the skill is. For example, if you're in real estate, maybe it's creating a competitive analysis report. Maybe if you're in insurance, maybe it's coming up with a quote. Maybe if you're a small business that wants to get more reviews and testimonials and case studies, it is a follow-up machine to go to your existing clients and to ask for them to leave you reviews and give you that social proof. Whatever it is that you're looking for, we are actively building this skills library. So please let us know. And if you notice at the top, it's specific to industries. So let's say you don't see your industry here and you want to add your industry. We're very ready and willing to do that. Let's say that your industry is here and you don't see something that you would love to have added. We will most definitely build that with you. The thing that we always recommend for folks to do is to just visit our form to get our attention. It's dubb.com/open mic. Okay. Fill out that form, and we would love to have you come and join us in the live training every single day. Dubb.com/T. That is where we meet. It's live. You get to hang out with us. You get to talk. You get to take us through what you're working through. And we will not just build you a skill, but we'll also build you a repeatable routine. And that is really where skills go to the next level. So if you start to look at routines, now routines can take your skills and become your agents, your team of agents specific for every single aspect of your business, top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, rinse and repeat. It is dependable. It is repeatable. It is scalable. It is something that you should start to use every single day. Folks, AI is here to help us. AI is here not to replace our jobs, but to allow us to do our best job, which is to create human connections. And it's to build relationships and to create mutually beneficial situations with our clients to make them our best referrals, our best marketers, our best friends. We want to go to their weddings and their kids' graduations, and all of that is possible with AI now. Get your skills set up, get your routines set up, and come out and hang out with us every single day at 10 a.m. Pacific, dubb.com/T, as in training. If these trainings resonate with you, I would love to get a one in the comments. It really pumps us up to get your feedback. It knows that people are watching. It knows that people appreciate what we're doing. We thrive on that. It makes us want to go do more and continue our listening and providing. So thank you guys so much for being the best part about Dubb.
Hey, it's Rob, your AI and video coach from Dubb. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trainings just like this.